Well, hello, boys and girls. I would like us to learn how to use our slideshow to create a image map of different ideas. So we're going to go first to create a new tab, and you need to make sure you have Google. Now, if you are on the Chromebook, make sure you opened up the internet and you have the Chromebook. Do not open the apps because the apps will not work the same as if you were on the internet. So just keep in mind, create a new tab, go and click on this. It's the Google apps. I call it the waffle apps because it looks like a Belgian waffle. So you click on that. Now you'll see all the different apps that Google has. I want the slides. This is the yellow one. When I click it, it will now open this window. So when you open this window, you'll notice there's a bunch of things. You can select a template, or you could open up one of your old ones. So you can see that I've already tried this out. This is kind of what we're going to make, is a little mind map. And that's just a visual image of different things that you see that you want to do in your artwork. So I'm going to click on a blank one because I'm going to make a brand new one. Now, there's a couple of things you want to look at before you go on. First off, these are the different templates if you want to have a background that's different. I don't recommend this because it just is a distractor for this assignment, but later on you might want to jazz it up a little bit. I use the word jazz it up to make it look fancy. But we're really not going to be turning this in as an assignment as it's going to be used later on for another assignment. The other thing is you want to look at your bars up here that have all the menu bars. Right here is your name. If you cannot see it, it might be that this is has hidden everything. So let's click on this to see if it matches what you see. And you'll notice it's gone. I don't see how to way to save my name. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. Now I don't need these themes, so I'm going to click on this so I can get a full picture of what I'm doing. Uh, at any time you want to change this, it'll be a different way. So up here, I want to get rid of this because this is their default first slide, and I don't want that. Also, I want to change the name. So up here, I would put your name and then put Texas Coast or Texas Coast, things like that, because you want to be able to find it again. So I'm going to do that, Texas Coast. And anytime we do a mind map or an image map, you are going to name it so you can come back and look at it. So when I click away, it's now the new name. I can come back and find that again. I don't want to change the background, but I want to change this. I don't want it there. There's a couple of ways you can do it. You can just click on these boxes and click delete, or you can I'm going to click over here, find the word layout. Now, when you click on layout, there's a little arrow. Click on that down. I call it a down delta. And you go all the way down to the bottom one and click blank. And now you have no text on your screen. Remember what I did. I went up here to layout, clicked on here, and clicked on blank. If you click on one of these other ones, it's going to apply a different layout. So you remember, layout, blank. There we go. So now we have a blank screen. I now want to make an image map of a topic that I want to do. And you can search the internet for images using this program. It's really neat. I don't know if you've ever done this before, but we're going to insert a picture. Now, we have two ways to insert. You can use insert image, create a down delta, and click on search the web. or you can look for the word insert and it'll do the same thing. Search the web. Okay, so insert allows you to do all kinds of inserts. These are all inserts. But if you click on this, you click on search the web, and suddenly over here you get this Google search. Now we're going to do Texas coastline or Texas animals, different types of animals that are on the beach. So first one I'm going to do is I'm going to do Texas beach. See what we get. And we get some really neat pictures. Now this one's neat with the little umbrella. Oh, this is the sand dunes coming into the beach like that. I'm going to click on that one. I like that one. Notice down here it says one selected, and you click on insert. Now that's a cool picture, but it's a little big because I want to put more pictures in there. So I'm going to take the corner and make it smaller. There we go. Now, that's not enough pictures to have another idea. So now I'm going to go and do the same thing again. I'm going to go to the image search, insert, search web. Now, it's going to bring up the last ones I did. So maybe I want to do another one. Let's do another one. I don't know. Ooh, this is cool. I like this idea too. It's kind of in the same direction as that, but it gives me an idea. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to insert. Wow, that's pretty cool. So now I'm going to do another. I can change the size again, do the same thing. Just go like that. Now I have two that are smaller. Okay, so let's do another insert. Let's do search the web. Let's stick with beaches right now, and let's do Texas beach birds. What we get there. Wow, look at that. Oh, look at this one right here. Oh, this one's a nice good close-up. I'm going to click on that one. And I'm going to click on that one. And this time I'm going to do a second one. Let's do a second one. Oh, here's another one. So now it says I have two inserted. Guess what? I'm going to guess. I'm going to get one right here and one right here. Let's check and see if that does that. I did. I guessed right. I got two birds. I've got a beach and a beach with dogs coming down. I bet those birds don't want to see those dogs. Now, I could keep adding more pictures on this one, but I don't have any room. So I'm going to insert another slide. So let's go to slide. I'm going to go new slide. And again, it has a background I don't want. So how did I do that? I went up to layout and I clicked on blank. And now I'm going to do another set of pictures. This time I'm going to do the, different images for the water part. Let's go and do insert image. I did it a little differently. Do you see that? And I'm going to search the web. And this time I'm going to do Texas jellyfish. I know they have jellyfish. Yeah. So these are the jellyfish that you might see in the water around Texas. So let's look and see. Because they're not, it's kind of one of those interesting things. Let's do that one. And now it says it's selected. I'm going to insert it. Ooh, it made it small right away. Okay, let's do another one. I'm going to do insert, search the web. This time I'm going to do dolphin. Oops, I did the spelling wrong. But you notice, watch what, if I kind of get it started, it already will give us the name. So if you can't always remember how to spell it, that's one way to do it. So let's look for dolphins. Okay, these are like in parks, so we don't want them in the parks. We want them in like in the wild. Let's put them in the wild. There we go. I like that one. Let's insert that one. Whoops. Let's go back. Let's click it and insert. And there we have it. Okay, what's another one? A sea turtle. So let's insert an image. I'm doing it again a different way. And this time I'm going to do Dexys. C, whoops, I got to spell it right. C-A, see if it does one. Nope. T, there we go. Texas sea turtles. Oh, wow. So now you can do them on the beach or you could have them in the water. Let's do one in the water since we're doing water in this theme. Insert. So you can see that you can get a variety of images and kind of just sit there and make those images over and over again, so that you can have something that whenever you want to create a new image mat, let's say you have an idea that you want to make a poster, but you don't have enough background images in your brain, this is the way to do this. Okay, so I'm pretty impressed by what I did so far. Let's double check. Let's make sure we have our name. We have pictures before we go and exit out. So when we exit out, we can go like this, click on the slide, and it should take us back to our slide files of all the slides we've done. It'll show the last one that we did. This is right here. See, I've been doing this for a couple of days now, so I have quite a few of these from different classes. So I named them differently. That way I didn't have the same one. So remember, when you get to this one, you click on blank, change the name, change the layout, and then you can get rid of this because you don't need that, and double check that this arrow is pointing up and not pointing down. And now you can start inserting images. Hint, hint, anytime you have to do a poster, this is a great way to get pictures for posters. And they're all free. Okay,